Environment Conservation Organization is a charitable trust established for promotion of sustainable healthy environment on our Mother Earth by all possible means. Ours is a beautiful, fragile planet with a wonderful environment, with blue skies, green forests, rivers, lakes, oceans, and with innumerable species of plants, animals, and human beings. We are the custodians of our Mother Earth, and we have social and universal moral responsibility to preserve our beautiful environment and pass on to the next generations. We have in the past half a century already sufficiently disturbed the environment by destructing greenery, by deforestation, by axing the trees and burning the forests for the purpose of construction of dwelling units. Mahatma Gandhi said, "What we are doing to the forests of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another." Please look at the concrete jungle we created. What we see today in our cities is more buildings and less greenery. Against the requirement of 40% of greenery in metropolitan units and urban areas, greenery is reduced to 4 to 5%. Air and water pollution is occurring due to indiscriminate industrialization with increased vehicular traffic and exploration of mines for minerals and oils, making it difficult for humans, animals, and plants to survive. India has more deaths from asthma than any other nation according to the World Health Organization. Indian cities are reeling under heavy particulate pollution. When the concentration of greenhouse gases increases due to pollutions and emissions we create, it leads to substantial warming of global surface air and oceans, resulting in increase of temperature on Earth by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade and rise of sea levels threatening our survival. Ozone layer of the atmosphere located 10 to 30 miles above the Earth serves as a shield, protecting people and the environment from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. It is depleting due to increased pollution and emissions of chemical substances containing chlorine and bromine. Exposure to ultraviolet B causes blindness, skin cancer, reduces immunological response, and damages crops. Dear brothers and sisters, attention please. Aren't we responsible for this environmental disturbance? Is it not our moral and social responsibility to protect environment by reducing global warming, carbon footprint, atmospheric pollutants, and depletion of ozone layer? Growing greenery is the solution for this impending danger. Let's start gifting only plant bouquets on any occasion, in preference to any other gift item. You may ask, why only a plant bouquet? It is because they give us oxygen and take carbon dioxide and air impurities. They grow day by day and there will be value addition unlike other gifts. They help in biodiversity. They survive for years and reminds the giver all times. They can be represented on any occasion to someone else without wasting money. Plant bouquet can be used for business and goodwill promotion. They can be given by commercial establishments to their esteemed customers, private and public sector institutions to their staff, and schools to their students to gain goodwill and promote their businesses. Price is economical too. They can be used for afforestation, avenue plantation, landscaping, roof gardening, as wall creepers too. These are avenue trees. They give us oxygen, shade, and take off carbon dioxide and help in biodiversity. Let us do landscaping and grow roof gardens. They help in controlling pollution and arresting urban heat islands. Wall creepers are great space savers. They save the walls and roof from heating up in summer and save your power consumption and controls air and sound pollution. We can provide all varieties of plants, plant bouquets, and develop landscaping and roof gardens, and provide trees to suit your Vastu and birth star for your all-round well-being. Vriksho Rakshita Rakshitaha. Thank you. This is presented by Environment Conservation Organization.